everybody. Today we have an unboxing that I am so excited about, and it is Mindful Souls. I think this is like the second or third time that I've unboxed Mindful Souls, and I'm so pleasantly surprised each and every time that I do. It's a really affordable self-care box that focuses on natural healing, like just things from the earth, things that occur naturally, oils, gems and stones, just really beautiful spiritual box that helps you ground and helps you focus on your manifestations. And I just absolutely love unboxing Mindful Souls. It's always such a nice, refreshing moment and helps me really focus back in on all of my goals. So I'm really excited to get into this box and see what they sent us this month. Okay, and you open it up and you have a beautiful presentation. Their presentation is always so beautiful. Right on top we have this card, and it says, affirmation for detachment. I allow myself and those around me the freedom to be as they are. So I love these little affirmation cards. I always put it on my vanity mirror so I can look at it each and every day and really focus on that. And then they always include such beautiful stickers. I put these on my journal. I have a journal where I write notes to my children that they can look back on one day, and I've been like decorating it with all these beautiful stickers. It's just so beautiful. I just love it, and I think the last one was like a bunch of little gemstones, so it's just so. Then we have our pamphlet here, and it shows you all the things that are in your box, and it kind of digs a little deeper into the theme of the box. I love that there's always a theme and a centralized moment that you can really focus on for the month. But yes, this will tell you about each item that is in here. So let's get into it. We have a bag, a cloth bag. I love this. It says, I am manifesting positivity and love, and then it says Mindful Souls right there on top. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I was just thinking the other day, I always carry a purse, of course, but like I was like, I need something that I can put my journals in and a book and that kind of thing that I can just take with me in the car, because I spend a lot of time in my car. So I was like, I need a bag that I can throw some things in. So this is perfect, because I was literally just thinking that a couple weeks ago. So I absolutely love this. Let's see what it says about it. It says, the Mindful Souls tote bag. You are going places and we want to be right there with you. Use this stylish tote bag to carry your crystals, your amulets, your self-growth books, or even your favorite snacks. Plus, it's the perfect way to show the world you're a mindful soul. So, perfect moment. I was just thinking I needed something like this, and I absolutely love the natural material that it's made out of. Right, and then next I see this right here. This says it is a pure essential oil. It is the rooted patchouli. It's for harmonizing and grounding. I always love a good essential oil. I have a whole like basket full of them. I'm always reaching for them, so I love that I can add this to them. So let's open it and see what the bottle looks like. Also got it labeled right there on the bottle itself too. And let's give it a smell while we're here. I love patchouli. It smells so good. Excited that I got this and I can add it to my essential oil collection. And then all the things we have left in the box are in these cloth bags. I always love how they use natural materials inside their box, so it's all earth friendly. So I love that. So the first bag we have, I'm going to open up and see what else we have in here. And okay, this is I believe a free gift that I chose. Anytime you sign up for Mindful Souls the first time, you get to choose a free gift. So that's all I mean, the free gifts are amazing. So really go check that out. Really look into signing up for this box. And when you do, you can look at the free gifts that they offer as well. I said it was a lapis. It's Larimer, I believe is how you pronounce it. It's true luxury doesn't shout, it whispers. Feel calmer, more balanced, and absolutely radiant with this stunning set crafted with rare Caribbean Larimer. I've never seen this stone before, but it's absolutely beautiful, and I love a wearable stone because, like I said before, I'm on the go a lot. So it's really nice just to throw on some earrings or necklace or bracelet that has some intention to it. So I absolutely love this set. I think this is going to be very nice. They are absolutely beautiful. Look at that beautiful stone. It is so, so pretty. And I don't have any of this, so I'm really glad I get to have this in my collection because it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then up next, let's open this bag and see what is in here. This is the necklace that goes with those earrings because, like I said, it was a necklace and earring set that I got. So that's actually worked out perfect that I've opened those back to back. But oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous. This is such a gorgeous necklace. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. And it has a good weight to it. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. This is a perfect length too. Look how gorgeous that's going to be with those earrings. Okay, now next we have, oh, this is beautiful. It looks like amethyst. So let's read on this and see what this is. It says it is a amethyst macrame wall piece. Its intention is to change and motivate. Its element is air, and its chakra is crown and third eye. If you're looking to break a bad habit, amethyst is the stone for you. Overcome toxic behaviors and make room for a fresh routine and mindset with this inspiring decor piece. So how to use. Let it work as a mindful reminder of your goals by placing it in the living area associated with the habit you wish to change. So wherever you are, like having, maybe like you want to get up earlier or you're laying around a lot and you want to be more active, maybe put it in your bedroom or by your couch or wherever it is, like whatever your intention is, whatever you're struggling the most, put it in that room. So I love that. That is really, really beautiful. Okay, and then next, you get so many things in this box. It's just amazing. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Wow, the weight of this, and it's a raw stone. Oh my gosh, okay, let's read on this. I love this. It's a raw malachite crystal. I don't have malachite, so I love that I have that now. Its intention is for transformation and growth. Its element is fire, and its chakra is the heart. We all struggle with letting go at times, and that's where malachite comes in. This crystal can provide both the tough love and support you need to shake off old habits, wounds, and beliefs. How to use, put it in your area of your home connected to the side of your life that feels stagnant. Transformation can be tough, but a better tomorrow awaits on the other side. I love this. I love the weight to their stones. It's just beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, you have to actually feel and hold this stone to actually know what I'm talking about. Like, it's absolutely so gorgeous. That color is amazing. More bags left. Let's open them up and see what we got. Okay, this looks like a tiger's eye. This is beautiful. This is my husband's favorite stone. It's a tiger's eye. All right, it says its intentions are for courage and confidence. Its element is earth and fire, and the chakra is your solar plexus. Radiating a sunny vibe, this stone boosts your confidence and fearlessness. Its energy is the perfect support to release the urge to control every external outcome. How to use. Before going to bed, hold your tiger's eye and reflect on the events of the day. Consciously let go of any negative thoughts, releasing them into the stone. So I love tiger's eye. It's so pretty. Look at all the like color variation in this one. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's a bracelet set. Oh no, it's a necklace. I love this. I bet you could wear it as both. Oh my goodness, yeah, you could wrap it around. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love how cool it feels against my skin. Oh my goodness. Or you could wear it as a necklace. Look how beautiful that is. Look at all the different colors in this necklace. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's read on it. This is the Indian agate beads jewelry. Its intentions are clarity and calmness, and its element is earth, and the chakra is sacral. Thanks to its grounding and stabilizing properties, Indian agate can help you break free from irrational fears, stressful thoughts, or worries about the future. I really need this because I'm a worrier. I am such a worrier, so this is going to be great. How to use: put it on for those situations that make your heart race, but that you need to keep your cool, like big work meetings or special events. This is such a gorgeous necklace. I absolutely love it. This is beautiful. Okay, and then it gives you a little, digging a little deeper. It goes into like understanding spiritual concepts, like detachment can feel a bit challenging at first, but once it clicks, it becomes a wonderful, liberating idea that will stick with you forever. It teaches you how to allow people to be as they are. Release the illusion of control. We have to just let things naturally work out and not try to control every situation. And how to learn to walk away. Like, if something bothers you, sometimes it's not worth your peace, walk away. And then it has a ritual on the back that you can do with that malachite that they included in the box. And then it has a thing on the back that says a little taste of what's coming next month. So listen up. If you want to jump on board next month, this is a little taste of what's coming up. It says, what if you could turn your biggest dreams into reality? Imagine bringing your deepest desires to life simply by using the power of your thoughts. This is possible, and we're here to show you how in our upcoming 3-part series, Manifesting Your Dreams. So if you want to hop on board and get your own Mindful Souls monthly subscription, I will have the link down below. I'll also have a code down there for you to save a little money as well. And don't forget, you get, if this is your first time signing up, you will also get a choice of a free gift, and they are absolutely beautiful, as you saw from that necklace and earring set that I showed you. So yes, it is a beautiful box, and I absolutely love getting it every month. It's such a refresh. This is everything we got in our box for this month. Like, look at that amazing value. Such high quality items and so many items. So you're getting an amazing value for your dollar with this box. Loved unboxing this box and sharing this with you. And like I said, all the links and codes are down below in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today for this unboxing. I'll leave all the information down below. If you don't already follow me, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this box. Let me know if you already get this box and what you thought about this month's items. I'm really in love with them, so I'm really ready to incorporate them into my life. So yes, leave me some love down in the comments and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.